What's going on, everybody? JC back with you again. Today we're taking a quick look at 4 new things from Aukey. Aukey is an accessory manufacturer that makes really high quality but inexpensive accessories for all your stuff. So we got plugs, we got chargers, we got cables, we got headphones even, we got microphones, we got all kinds of good stuff. And today they sent me 4 things we're just going to unbox real quick here. The first is this 18-watt USB-C wall charger. So as you can see here, Sports PD, which is awesome. 18 watts, so it's going to charge your iPad Pro. Great. The new iPad Pro that supports USB-C because that's also 18-watt charger that comes in the box. Will it charge your MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros? Sure, but it's going to take a while. So next we got a dual-port wall charger here, and okay, that's kind of sleek, kind of sexy. I like that. All right, so real thin. It's going to be easy to squeeze into a wall plug somewhere, which is nice. Running 24 watts there, so that's good. Next, we have the dual-port USB-C turbocharger, which supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Always great to see that there. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, that's a mouthful, is in a lot of high-end flagship phones nowadays, some even mid-tier phones as well. It's not going to support things like the OnePlus 6T and other phones that have their proprietary quick charging, but it's still really nice to see that from manufacturers. So there we go. There's that. Lastly, I've got a smart plug here from Aukey, which are always fun. It's always nice to add these to the smart home portfolio. Okay. My favorite thing about this so far, it's got 2 plugs. The one I have from Wemo and some of the ones from Amazon you see now, they only got 1 plug. This one's got 2. So really happy to see that. So you can do it twice the things. So I got some real quick accessories here we're going to check out from Aukey. Stay tuned for a little bit more. We'll try to do some timing comparisons as far as like how quick it will charge and things like that. But thanks for staying tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.